Hey friends, today we are making this amazing concoction named whipped coffee. And if you spent a lot of time online, you'd think that this was only created recently. But variations of this drink have been around for decades. A lot of people believe it originated in China's Macau. There's a drink called beaten coffee in India, and also a frothy coffee drink based in Greece. This brings up the idea of parallel evolution in food culture, and that is where different cultures at different times come up with very similar ideas using similar ingredients. Even though this is at its peak quality right after it's being made, you can keep it in an airtight container in the fridge so that when you get up in the morning and you want to just heat up some milk or milk substitute, you can just drop this on top. You got a great coffee drink in an instant. Now, this is a fairly simple process. What you're going to need is a mixing bowl and a hand mixer with the beating attachment. By the way, if you're looking to buy a hand mixer, I have recommendations for different budgets in the description below. Now, if you want to do it by hand, all you need is a wire whisk, so something a little bit larger than this. The beauty of this tasty concoction is that it's only 3 simple ingredients. You're going to need instant coffee, granulated sugar, and hot water. The beauty of this recipe is it contains a really simple ratio of the ingredients. All 3 are 1 to 1 to 1. We are going to do our instant coffee. We're going to do our granulated sugar. And now I have here with me some hot water. I'm using a spatula here just to mix before I heat it further. What you're looking for is definition in the whipped coffee here, and we have that. If you look at that, you'll see that it'll develop what they call peaks. Imagine if you're seeing like a mountaintop. This is kind of the consistency you want. So now I'm going to transfer that. Yeah, baby. That is an intense coffee flavor with a slight sweetness. Like I said, you can make this overnight, store it in an airtight container in your fridge, and it will be ready for you when you wake up. The peaks aren't going to be perfect, but to have this totally ready for you in the morning, it is delicious.